Kotlin tutorial number 6, control flow. Unlike Java, Kotlin's if is an expression that returns a value, no ternary operator needed. Write val max equals if a b, a else b in one line instead of 4. When used as an expression, else is required because the expression must always produce a value. Kotlin's when replaces Java's switch with no break statements, no fall-through bugs, and it returns a value. Match on exact values, ranges, types, or multiple values in one branch with commas. The compiler exhausts all enum values and sealed class branches. Missing a case is a compile warning. Use in 80. 89 in a when branch to match a range, no nested ifs needed. After is string, Kotlin smart casts the value to string inside the branch, giving you full string API access without any explicit cast. This combination of ranges and smart casts is impossible in Java's switch. Use for inclusive ranges. For exclusive upper bounds, down 2 to count backward and step to skip values. No off by 1 errors, no I++, no manual boundary conditions. Iterating with index. Gives you both the index and the element in one destructured variable. Use while when the exit condition depends on runtime state. Repeat. N is cleaner than a for I in 0 until n loop when you just want to run a block n times, and it passes the iteration index automatically. Do while guarantees at least one execution before checking the condition. Use labels outer at to break or continue a specific outer loop from inside a nested loop, no Boolean flag variable needed. Break at outer exits both loops immediately. Without the label, break only exits the innermost loop. This pattern is rare but eliminates ugly workarounds in nested iteration.